介词
Preposition.
Preposition.
从
Introduces the starting point of a period, a distance, a process or a sequence.
Introduces the starting point of a period, a distance, a process or a sequence.
从几岁
At what age?
At what age?
你是从几岁开始学习唱歌？你是从几岁开始学习唱歌？
At what age did you start to learn to sing?
At what age did you start to learn to sing?
从6岁开始。从6岁开始。
At the age of 6.
At the age of 6.
从什么时候？从什么时候？
Since when?
Since when?
你从什么时候开始上班？你从什么时候开始上班？
When will you start to work?
When will you start to work?
从下个月开始。从下个月开始。
Starting next month.
Starting next month.
从下个星期一。从下个星期一。
From next Monday.
From next Monday.
我将从下个星期一开始在新公司工作。我将从下个星期一开始在新公司工作。
I will start working in my new company from next Monday.
I will start working in my new company from next Monday.
从北京到上海。从北京到上海。
From Beijing to Shanghai.
From Beijing to Shanghai.
乘坐高铁从北京到上海需要5个多小时。乘坐高铁从北京到上海需要5个多小时。
It takes more than 5 hours to travel from Beijing to Shanghai by high-speed train.
It takes more than 5 hours to travel from Beijing to Shanghai by high-speed train.
从我家到机场。从我家到机场。
From my home to the airport.
From my home to the airport.
从我家到机场。坐出租车要1个多小时呢。从我家到机场。坐出租车要1个多小时呢。
It takes more than an hour by taxi from my home to the airport.
It takes more than an hour by taxi from my home to the airport.
从我家到学校。从我家到学校。
From my home to school.
From my home to school.
从我家到学校。走路10分钟就到。从我家到学校。走路10分钟就到。
It takes 10 minutes to walk from my home to school.
It takes 10 minutes to walk from my home to school.
从早到晚。从早到晚。
From morning to night.
From morning to night.
爸爸每天从早到晚忙工作。爸爸每天从早到晚忙工作。
Dad is busy working from morning to night every day.
Dad is busy working from morning to night every day.
从小孩到老人。从小孩到老人。
From children to the elderly.
From children to the elderly.
如今，从小孩到老人，都喜欢拿着手机刷个不停。如今，从小孩到老人，都喜欢拿着手机刷个不停。
Nowadays, everyone from children to the elderly likes to keep swiping with their cell phones.
Nowadays, everyone from children to the elderly likes to keep swiping with their cell phones.
从8点到12点。从8点到12点。
From 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock.
From 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock.
从8点到12点。他们都在考试。从8点到12点。他们都在考试。
They are taking exams from 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock.
They are taking exams from 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock.
从1到100。从1到100。
From 1 to 100.
From 1 to 100.
他会用中文从1数到100。他会用中文从1数到100。
He can count from 1 to 100 in Chinese.
He can count from 1 to 100 in Chinese.
从爷爷那里。从爷爷那里。
From Grandpa.
From Grandpa.
我从爷爷那里听过很多关于他年轻时的故事。我从爷爷那里听过很多关于他年轻时的故事。
I heard a lot of stories from my grandpa about his youth.
I heard a lot of stories from my grandpa about his youth.
从国外。从国外。
From overseas. From abroad.
From overseas. From abroad.
爸爸刚从国外回来。爸爸刚从国外回来。
Dad just came back from abroad.
Dad just came back from abroad.
从网上。从网上。
From the internet.
From the internet.
我从网上买了这些衣服。我从网上买了这些衣服。
I bought these clothes from the internet.
I bought these clothes from the internet.
从明天起。从明天起。
From tomorrow onwards.
From tomorrow onwards.
从明天起。我要每天去跑步。从明天起。我要每天去跑步。
From tomorrow onwards. I will go for a run every day.
From tomorrow onwards. I will go for a run every day.
谢谢观看。